So I've assembled the control panel. I got all the wires running in this rail. A 12-volt power supply is feeding controller, the circuit breakers, and I'll be replacing this wire here with a more discrete solution. But right now I only have a tungsten lamp acting as a heater and a temperature probe hooked up. The temperature probe will be measuring the room ambient, but the lamp will be acting as a heater. Will heat up the temperature probe, so we can see on this control page here. What I want to show you guys is the maximum temperature amplitude. Right now it's at 7 degrees. We're gonna lower that value so the heater will turn on. The temperature that the probe is measuring is 26 degrees. The maximum temperature was 32 degrees. So if I lower the maximum temperature amplitude to 5 degrees, I will have the heater turn on, because it's 32 minus 26, and if is greater than, in this case, 5 degrees, the heater will turn on. And so, but first, we're not change the set point. That's at 20 degrees. We want to see the amplitude function. But first, I'm gonna lower the heating cycle as well, because to make it fast. 1 minute should do. So yeah, maximum temperature amplitude. When we lower to 5, there we go. (26). We will see some variation very soon. (27). Well, since 32 minus 27 is less than 5, a timer will be activated and will start to count 1 minute after 1 minute has been reached. The heater will be turned on if this condition continues to be false. So temperature continues to rise. And after 1 minute, the heater is turned off. So the controller does this on a regular basis, on a loop. So when the temperature, in this case, it will start to lower again, when it reaches the threshold value, the heater will be turned on again, start to heat up again, and so works on a continuous cycle. And we can see that minimum temperature, maximum temperature, there's a lot of good functions that will add some great stuff for my aquaponics project. Alright, thanks for watching.